Hello everyone. I'm so happy for you all to join me. It is such a beautiful day outside. The sun is just so bright and the birds are chirping. It just feels like I'm in a movie. I'm just loving the fact that the sun is staying out later. You definitely do not want to pass up a nice stroll and walk outside because it is marvelous. Anyway, I am going to be doing kind of a little updated, I guess not really. I'm just kind of doing a acne scar coverage routine because I just have been feeling like I just want to put on a bit of makeup. I haven't put on makeup in like 2 weeks, I think, or something like that. It feels like forever and I miss it. So anyway, I'm just gonna be using the Soft Glow Focus. This is from Illuminating Radial. All I know is it smells like candy. Oh my gosh. I have to start doing this, like put it in my hands and then rub, because I get a lot of comments saying that they don't like it when I apply right to my face. I cannot help it. I feel like I am just an Instagram influencer at heart. I just do that all the time to my face. It's like so nice and tacky. Bunch of antioxidants in there, so it's gonna really nice treat your skin. Also, I put on sunscreen. Make sure you don't forget your sunscreen. I definitely want to go out for a walk after this. I am just so looking forward to it, going to my farmer's market. The foundation I am going to be wearing today is two foundations, because this one's a bit heavy, but it really is good for spot treating, honestly. And then my favorite BB cream, Physicians Formula. It's the most affordable and best quality BB cream in my opinion. The only thing I don't like is the shade range. There's not that big of a shade range, but I really do enjoy the actual contents of the bottle. So we're going to use the majority of this to conceal everything. And then if we need to go in a bit more, then I'll be using that. So that's basically how it works. I'm going to just be taking Morphe E31 brush. Yeah, honestly, I compare this BB cream to like cosmetics. Although this BB cream is actually a bit more natural looking in my opinion, just because again, it doesn't cover up as much though. So if you want to go more natural, go for this. But if you want to get a bit more coverage, then I'd say go for It Cosmetics, but we're gonna get our coverage from this. So yeah, just because we want to still be natural and glowy, glow from within kind of thing, kind of vibes. It just completely just makes my mood just so happy just seeing the sun. Oh my goodness. Anyway, with the Dermacol foundation, this is really good for evening wear or something if you want heavy duty. But like during the day, I feel like it'd be the best for spot concealing because this legit covers like concealer. So I just cover, again, I have a pimple there if you all notice. Any like prominent acne spots or scars, and a little goes a long way with this foundation. So I'm just gonna be taking a little brush, and this is really again good for just spot correcting instead of going in with like a bunch of layers. Obviously, if you have acne and pimples and scarring all over your face, then it's not a bad idea just to go in with this foundation. Don't even worry about this, because then you just have to go in with a super thin layer with just this, and you won't have to risk piling up all that foundation. Oh my gosh, I feel like my skin has just been getting so much better, and I'm so happy about that. I am forever grateful, honestly. Not that I wasn't grateful when I did have acne, because I'm still so thankful for that experience that I did have, just because it built me up so much stronger as a person. So just know, if any of you are going through acne, it's a blessing in disguise, honestly. I'm not just saying that. It just makes you so much stronger. Anyway, the concealer we'll be using is the NYX Won't Stop concealer. One of my favorite YouTubers, Gina Shida, she posted on like one of her Instagram stories saying that like this concealer was literally better than any other high-end concealer that she tried. I believe that's what the post said, don't quote me, but I was just like, I already own that. That is amazing. I'm just like, let's just use it again, because if she says it's good, it has to be good. She is so amazingly talented with makeup and she's beautiful. Anyway, I'm gonna use my ring fingers because it is the most softest and the most gentle part of your finger. Oh yeah, I love this concealer so much. Yay! Oh my gosh, I'm loving the base of my makeup now. Oh my god. Okay, so I'm just gonna go quickly into my Coty Airspun powder and then set my under eyes ASAP. I totally forgot to do eyebrows, so I'm not gonna set my eyelids just yet because I still gotta carve out my eyebrows with concealer, and obviously mixing powder and cream is not the best. It kind of makes a bit cakiness. I'm just going to be using my trusty old Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow because that is my favorite brow product. I kid you not, this is like my 5th year of owning this. It just won't want to run out. Like I hit pan on it, but like I'm trying to use up the rest of it. It's perfectly fine. It just won't run out. I swear, and I use this all the time. This is like the only thing I use on my brows. Okay, so I just quickly filled them in. My brows aren't really scarce to begin with. I really just have to fill in and just like fill in the blanks basically. And I'm going to take the same Can't Stop Won't Stop concealer and use this to carve out my brows. Kind of blend that out. I'm going to set everything with my Coty Airspun again and lock everything in place. Oh yeah. Okay, I'm gonna take a bigger brush and then I'm gonna set my whole face now. I'm reading so many books. I feel like I want to make a video of like all the books I read and like what I learned from it, because I'm learning so much. It is insane, and I'm just so like, reading books is just like, people underestimate the power of like words printed in a book. Words are powerful. That's what I learned from this. Yay! Okay, I'm going to quickly bronze my face, and I've never showed this, but I'm using the shade in light. Go take the middle shade. Trying not to blind you guys with the mirror that's in here. The middle one is like perfect because it's a bit more warmer toned, whereas like this one is more good for contouring. It's a bit more cool toned, but I don't really contour. I literally just like to bronze my face and that's it, especially like when you're in a hurry or like just impatient. And then my favorite blush of all time, you all know what it is hopefully at this point. It is the 20 Satin Love blush by Essence. It is the best blush, literally. I swear by this, and I am so confident that this is like the best shade of a blush. It is just the most natural, kind of mauve-ish, not too pink, like the most subtle, most complementing shade of pink in my opinion. I feel like this will complement like so many skin tones. I'll put a little bit on my nose, get that rosy flush. I also just want to put a little bit of this cooler toned, lighter bronzy kind of contour shade to oh my gosh, make my eyes a bit more defined. Just a quick sweep. Woo, so cute. Put a little bit there. Yay. Okay, now, oh my gosh, now time to just curl the lashes. And the mascara I'm going to be using is my favorite. It is the Superhero Mascara by It Cosmetics. It's so nice. It builds up so much length and volume to your lashes. Even if you don't have like the longest of lashes, it literally takes them to a whole nother dimension. I don't think any drugstore mascara can outbeat this mascara. I honestly don't know. And as you all know, probably can tell, my eyelash extensions are no longer existing. So these are my natural lashes. I think we're gonna go lash free today. I was gonna put on lashes, literally I have lashes right here. But I don't know, I feel like everything's just so natural looking. And I just wanna keep it with that super nice light look. So with that being said, I'm gonna be taking the TARTEIST lip paint in the shade HOMESLICE because it's a really nice like corally pinky kind of shade. Literally screams like summer vibes. So nice. Like a nice corally for sure when you try to overline and just look like a clown. Okay, so to finish up this look, I am going to putting Essence Shine 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 wet lip gloss on my lips because this is just a super nice baby pink. Oh my gosh, it matches my shirt. It smells so good. Just do a little bit of that. Ooh, oh, makes just everything just come together. Anyway, and then to top it off, I'm going to be taking the Cover FX setting spray, and it's super illuminating and super glowy. We're going to take this. Yay! I don't know why. I feel like the weather has just made me feel so much better. Anyway. Woo! Okay, I guess that completes this very nice, natural, glowy bronze kind of look. Nice. Well, thank you all so much for watching. I appreciate every single one of you every single day. Oh my gosh. Anyway, if you want to see more of me, please subscribe to my channel. Hit that bell notification so you don't miss a video I post. All my social media links and products will be linked down below in the description. Subscribe to my second YouTube channel because if you all don't know, my name is Sonia. I am a music producer and I produce music. So if you like EDM pop music, you like upbeat kind of vibe music, then definitely subscribe to my second channel. I'll link that down below. That is my music artist channel. When I do release my first single, you'll be notified through that. So yeah, anyway, I hope you have a good day, good night, wherever you're watching this. Lots of virtual kisses and hugs, and I will see you in the next video. Okay, peace.